Hello and welcome to another one of my videos where I'm going to show you how to do an input and output task in Python. This time we are going to work out the area of a square. So let's take this formula, not this one, sorry, this one. Length times length. Reason for length times length, because square is a square, all sides are exactly the same. Simple. So what we can do is we need to do a variable called length equals, and we could have a float or an int, but we're going to do a float, and I will explain why shortly. Then what we need to do, input, shift, brackets, shift 2, get your quotes. Then we'll need to say something like enter a number. So the user is going to be entering a number, and then we will enter, and then we will do a print statement. So to say area of a square, comma, and then we're just going to have area. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to do exactly the same, except this time I'm going to do round, brackets, area, comma, 2 decimal places. And you'll see why. We run it. I'm going to do 5.765. And you can see the decimal numbers. We got 33.235. If we were to round it up to 2, it would be 33.24. Because the third number is a 5, so therefore it gets rounded up by another number. So you can see one of the good things about doing a round function, you're rounding it by X amount of decimal places you choose. And guess what? With squared, you can even change the formula around a little bit. So let's say you can also do, instead of just doing length times length, you could do this. Shift, asterisk, asterisk. That is exponentation. So it's to the power of. So we'll try this again. We're going to try 7.54 this time. 54, 542. Okay, so you can see 56.88, 1. Because there's a 1, it's still 56.88. Let's say I'm going to do that again. So you can see with whether you're using length times length or length using the exponentation, the two, you can see that there is no difference whatsoever. So it doesn't matter which way you do it, it's exactly the same. Bog standard Python. Well, I hope you've liked this video, and I will be doing more videos like this, and I look forward to you watching the next video. Until then, goodbye and thank you.